nipa ho do ye man kan kone ye man puntonti ebe ka no kro ya enim amachire de ka asembe ye de atwam na yakọ bebre de achi ye omo ebeba bedi de akwasi ensia asemi de ka ebre na asin era so ajebre na gusu ehwe bedwam on Adom TV DSTV channel 280 Go TV channel 119 YouTube ukwa search for Adom TV ukwa Facebook search for Adom TV TikTok Instagram baby abekwa be search for Adom TV ne follow me so akwasi insia on Facebook bese na kakra bese ni atwamu ekwe de enkomo ese Ghana ato ayedi eye police fo eso mbo pose ometu IGP every akunya kese so. And some of the revelations na eba no eja ayem hyehye amande payam hyehye and someone COP Alex Mensa police commissioner ya onche obekọ na homegiem ekeka ewo mrahye de fiem no ehu but I said people be crowd say so the bread and butter issues na why mem no emi ne peti ya na anyway ya ye to oh my god ska edi gumi but show one of the videos one of Asem COP Alex Mensa eko committee nanim odi akwa to dwa me say Asem na papa no eka ne bi no ehu na na no pemi no ba wie no ubehuru die ntuntia o se me ani bre oye ya police for no emu quickly I mention the me course or adult committee nanim Asem COP Alex Mensa eko to dwan bi na meto aso
a discussion or conferencing or whatever you had with the Chief Nabu. At some material time, Superintendent Asare was there physically.
Yes, Mr. Chairman, he was there. But as I said, if he had what I was talking to, Asare was sitting at the back. If he heard it, yes, he can confirm. But I cannot say that he heard everything that I was saying to Buginawo.
Were the two of you expecting that Superintendent Asare will hear what we're saying? Were you expecting that he would hear it? Or you didn't want him to hear it? In the same meeting?
Mr. Chairman, what I was telling Nabu was meant for Nabu, but Asare could have heard it.
And if he heard it, then he will confirm it. Is that not so?
Yes, Mr. Chairman.
Okay. Your good friend here, you know, he, was the reason for the adjournment. You know. He says now he has the basis to continue with his interrogation. And I think he has the floor. So please listen carefully and see how we'll be able to make some progress.
Mr. Chairman, you mean, oh, okay.
Yes.
Honorable.
Yes.
Maybe Honorable doesn't know me, but I know him very well.
Oh, I see.
Yes, he was my student at Bekwai HD Secondary School.
So this is a teacher people affair. Oh my God!
I'm trying to remember. Yes, I'm trying to remember. Actually, I'm a product of a.
enti quick one baby na attention wo na wanya no ensem na wo tape na eba ene so ne confirm no asem ya asi ya ye nyina ye tu ho na mo edi ho nkomoi also ye Ghana ni a oh ejawo awreho asem bi wo mu a COP Alex Mensa kan ya police from penifo bi akan bi dada the politicization of Ghana Police Service. The rate at which yadi a party sem every ya bambo edwuma kwanim. Papa yi ekane sem no ebre bi woka wo se wo free pass wo be ye IGP wo Ghana nyane since 2017. Since 2017. Yeah, yesua in nana adodankwa akufado. And wo free prinity say wo be ye IGP enya bone. Enya bone. Because na dey IGP akonya no ebeda mpan. O se ni papre ekwashem. But akoma na nipa de pra kopre sa akonya no ene ye haw. On bitterness na ewo COP Alex Mensa mun. On yaudie no. On dewi okasa no. On sa yaudie no. Ene man yehu. Yama NPP ni NDC afe sebi no mu ewo man mu. Eno ma ye yankwa. Omo bon to om na se we are coming to serve omo boa. They are coming to lord over us and gradually omo lord over yen asomanfo. Okay, because anyone was say, police service there. I'm on your sember koso. Hey, who nakasa? Okay, manfanko website to the show and Shemubia Texas University for be about armed robbery cases in Ghana. Shadi or how? Min conclude Asem we home. Min conclude and figures about so nyina every Ghana Police Service Information Service Department and every ever. Was it the trace and patterns of crime in Ghana, the case of robbery? Now, do you know, say, from 2014 at I think 2019, yes, sir, and Shemui Ekosono, 2017, and I record the highest armed robbery cases in Ghana. 2017. And I record the highest armed robbery cases in Ghana. Out of the 5,600 armed robbery cases, of course, so within this spate of years, 2017, quite much, 1,700. From 2014 up to 2019, I say 18 year report, 2017, the highest. With 2014 recording the lowest, 1,160. See, our police forces so much to chop Makasa 19 this year. Do you know the security implication on my Ghana? Yeniana police focus to Nakasa police ni because of Chronobo. Bulova who says Samuntia. Yeniana Ghana focus say what information my police for 1 year because on Meliki. So how much more Obia on pay IGP Asem? No per se IGP Bofom. No ye senior police officer. Okaso di IGP abura. Uni nipo do mabro. The over 30 million population in odi abro. Over 30 million population in odi abro. Me si figure sa me bosu nyina ko Ghana Police Service a. Omude temu a ewo. Se police ni ka se all leak information ya when or how ye wo Ghana when or how ye wo. That is why we need to get the crazy ball heads out of the Ghana Police Service. And no be an effort so. You can't stay in the service with such bitterness. It's a fun say normal. MPP for mo crop for NDC for mo crop for na NDC focus on mo bo MB for buga. Wouldn't they be see Ghana? Wouldn't they be see? And no sem no me no e ye worry e de maye. So big day NDC MPP su e wo police mo o sem no me ni kabom ni ye pam no wo ye mambofo wo ye ni poponi ni obetimi abogana so woni mo a such a person can say only key information woni mo how about to Ghana say IGP we yaba ye penasem ye police officers ya kantima no because no kro wo me say krono boko so a ye mfre Ghana police service o ye frɛ IGP to be go IGP ni mu asima Ghana bo se bitterness wuro bi mu e wo ye secret service mu a e no se transfer so money so start way so ha ye to so money so records na mdia ma no Mr. Texas University report on on armed robbery cases in Ghana from 2014 to 2019, 2017 recorded the highest armed robbery cases in Ghana. Min conclude she. No argument no betimase. COP Alex Mensah say o shall see a praise so be IGP 2017. Masami nawate. And so sad in so. MPP NDC politics and papa, especially in our institutions. Oh, how near Benedia betim ya breno se uwo an iota idea. Kautia kabebo ka oyembe hyew. Kronobona ye konhoam na ye kom so. Menu mienu. Menu mienu. Ye na yen kan bi hyemu no. It will be mistake obey no ebetimi agai krono e wo yeman mu obi mistake ye obey no me see it na Ghana ni say what information ma please na onyi ni enye me me sa survey no Mr. CDD Ghanaians trusting police service e wo form ye nyi wo mo ni because what information mo a on be likino ofi say ya godie this report in my face where they a patriot do ye nyimbre kinkantia enam dia man so de gibre mabu nkota akrab de atro gibre no kinkan this report the trends and patterns of crime in Ghana the case of robbery Joseph Apia Hini Jamfi the University of Texas gibre no kinkan you understand the entity kwase etna say e massive one dia amanyosem every secret service mu o metna say they don't deserve to be there. Asa, who? Bitterness na COP Alex Mensah, dead, you know, who? Now back to the committee. I think 7 penny for months so to the beer. A penny say, what do you now? Cause you need to say fataye. We see you shan't the Ghana for BNC. But when we enter a parliament, mo pese show no. Because to the be a man kasa so ka mo no credit council of form. Mo MPs no. Mo no credit council ko of form. To mo kasa kwa mo to mo kasa kwa ko ni say, asem ye nyina ya jetu se be ni say. E be tini we nam na we so nam ha. Because to be honest, be asade we nam a ye show no live no. Enye ehun hia. Ehun hia. Ehun hia. Anabatatia. Yo, all of James Agaga, I won't hear. And yes, be sure my Ghana for a dear echo see. But no crack cover for Muntino, Musro, some question about tears as way. Now can you send me a cacamunco and Muntier? Now, Mutuan, from what you won't buy. Don't forget, Yura a breya cool, a tail what's here. Only money about me. A brenna, your woman, your papa. Near my son, some be a pie. For people to know, say there are loopholes even in our security service. Who are you dangerous? Ono what touch the decision say about broadcast the way life no I'm why speaker I'm why ehu samonwe ho a stop the live telecast and be truthful to your own self. If I saw the baby ni pabane fu awo amama hu do che ho chia ya dwe bone so wotimuma wo mo interest economic political interest for Ghana mu etie some information we nyina emye hu safre president be korokom a enchichemu wom. And do you know what that information can do to Ghana? Yamu yamobo ebi am kaso mo ya kandifu e badwen Ghana ho na nya pesame nkumenyafo wona be pre Ghana ye yo ne Ghana puntuo medin dia kwasensia